Coupon code is in the description and comments below. Looking for the best IKEA deal available right now? You've come to exactly the right place because we've secured an exclusive discount that's going to save you significant money on IKEA. Whether you're already familiar with IKEA or just discovering it for the first time, this special offer makes it more affordable than ever. IKEA has built a strong reputation for furniture and home accessories with flat pack design. In 2025, they continue to lead their category with innovative features and excellent service that customers trust. This exclusive coupon code provides substantial savings that you won't find anywhere else. What makes IKEA stand out is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They've invested heavily in developing features that actually solve real problems for users like you. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced user. Getting started with IKEA is straightforward. The setup process is streamlined and well-documented, with helpful tutorials and guides available if you need assistance. The interface is clean and modern, making it easy to navigate and find exactly what you need. Customer support is responsive and knowledgeable, ready to help whenever you encounter questions or issues. IKEA offers various plans to suit different needs and budgets. Whether you're an individual user, small business, or enterprise organization, there's a solution that fits. The pricing is transparent with no hidden fees or surprise charges. What you see is what you get, and with this exclusive discount, you're getting an exceptional value. Security and privacy are taken seriously. IKEA implements industry-standard encryption and protection measures to keep your data safe. Regular updates ensure the platform stays secure against emerging threats. You can use IKEA with confidence knowing your information is protected. The features included are comprehensive and thoughtfully designed. Rather than overwhelming you with unnecessary complexity, IKEA focuses on delivering the functionality that matters most. Everything works together seamlessly, creating a cohesive experience that just makes sense. Integration capabilities allow IKEA to work alongside other tools you already use. Whether through native integrations, API access, or third-party connections, IKEA fits into your existing workflow without forcing you to abandon tools you rely on. Performance is excellent with fast loading times, reliable uptime, and smooth operation even during peak usage. The technical infrastructure behind IKEA is robust and scalable, handling everything you throw at it without slowdown or interruptions. Mobile apps bring IKEA to your smartphone and tablet, letting you stay productive on the go. The mobile experience is optimized specifically for smaller screens, not just a scaled-down version of the desktop interface. Regular updates add new features, improve existing ones, and ensure compatibility with the latest devices and operating systems. IKEA continuously evolves based on user feedback and industry trends. The community around IKEA is active and helpful. Forums, documentation, and user groups provide resources for learning tips, sharing best practices, and connecting with others who use the platform. You're not just buying software or a service, you're joining a community. Value for money is exceptional, and with this exclusive coupon code, it becomes even more compelling. The return on investment becomes clear quickly as IKEA helps you work more efficiently, solve problems faster, and achieve better results. To claim this exclusive discount, click the link in the description below. Select the plan that best fits your needs, and apply the coupon code at checkout. You'll see the savings applied immediately to your order. This limited-time offer won't last forever, so take advantage while it's available. IKEA also typically offers a money-back guarantee or trial period, so you can test the service risk-free and ensure it meets your expectations before fully committing. If you're ready to experience what makes IKEA special and save money doing it, check out the link in the description now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exclusive deals, product reviews, and helpful tips.